What's up guys, it's LeetCoder. This is LeetCode 125 valid palindrome. This is actually a very similar problem as palindrome number, and I did a video on that one if you're interested. In this one, we basically have some string like this, and we have to see if it's a valid palindrome after we convert the string to just alphanumeric characters, all lowercase, like this. So there are two steps here. First, we convert the string to what we want, and then we see if the string reads forward the same backwards. To strip the string of all the useless characters, I'm going to use regex. So we'll import re here, and we'll define our new string variable, and we're going to do re sub. So we're going to substitute characters out from the string. So our pattern is going to be any character that does not match an alphanumeric character here. And we're going to sub that out with empty string, and this is going to be on the input string. Then we'll make this a lowercase string. Now we just compare if the string is equal to its self reversed. And that's it. Really the only difficulty in this question is stripping the string of all the useless characters. And in my opinion, regex is the best way to do it because regex also lets you do a lot more complicated things as well. So it's a good thing to learn. And that's it. So if you found this helpful, please give a like and a subscribe, because it really helps the YouTube algorithm. And I'll see you next time.